Other muscles that are going to radiate into the buttocks or around the sacroiliac joint are gluteus maximus and gluteus medius, and they are sort of muscles, they're big muscles in the buttock. You can treat these by lying on the knobber or the jack knobber, but pretty much the best way to do it, in my estimation, is to use the Backnobber too, and find the trigger points in your gluteus maximus. You can use them in your gluteus medius and even in the gluteus minimus, and by pushing on them you can relieve quite a lot of the pain that may be found around the buttocks and around the hip. It kind of mimics the back pain. Gluteus medius is one of those muscles that is very important in walking and stabilizing the knee, and its trigger points quite often are found around the top of the ilium. So you would use the jack knobber here or down here for the gluteus maximus. But obviously please find these with your therapist, so you're going to be on the right spot, can prescribe the right amount of pressure and the right amount of time.